Hello friends, I am Madhumandan. Welcome to my channel. I am presenting a series of pencil portrait drawing of the beautiful old woman. I have made this series in some parts. This is part 1. In this, I will show how to make the face outline using grid method so that the portrait look more real. Actually, this portrait carries many challenges which will be covered in my next videos. I will share all the tips and tricks with you. Watch till the end. Let's get started. I have taken A3 size blank paper that is 11.7 by 16.5 inches and the same size of printout of selected portrait. This is 1 inch. Mark the points at the distance of 1 inch, that is 25.4 mm, with the help of ruler. Mark it on all the 4 sides for accurate grids. Take note about the last grid, which is not equal as all. Now join all the points to make grid. Do it with very little pressure, otherwise the indentation mark will remain on your paper. I have used here 2H Steadler pencil, which is very light. Use the good quality paper. I have used here Brusto Ultra Smooth Bristol paper. Join like this to make all the grid. This is very important part which need accuracy. Note about small last grid again. Now give the number in each grid, vertically and horizontally, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to mark till the end boxes. Do grids and number the markings in the same way on the printout paper, like this. Now place this printout in front of you. Observe each number of grid. See how the shape and with how much distance the line is going on. Grids gives the reference point and reference line. Following the same, you can draw it same. Here I am drawing first the layers of towel which she weared. Follow the top 1, 2, 3 number grids and draw accordingly. You can draw the grids of 20 to 30 mm, whatever is comfortable to you. Those who are good in shapes, no need to draw smaller grids. You can also do diagonal grid, which I have not done here. It gives more reference line, but it can confuse as well. There is also another option for grids. If you don't want to do printout, there is an app called Drawing Grid for Artists. You can install in your mobile. In that you can do same thing instead of doing it on printout paper. My drawing was full of wrinkles and tiny things, so I preferred to do with printout option so that I can follow it easily and frequently. Now we are drawing the face outline. Your whole portrait is depend on your face outline. If you are good in shading and other things, but the shape of face is little out somewhere, it can change whole picture. Follow the grids from top and from sideways. Follow the number of the grid and draw accordingly. Count the number of grids from upsides and lateral side. Observe the nose line and draw it. So if you are doing so much of hard work, then you can definitely use this grid method. There are other methods also, like pencil measurement method, but I preferred this one. While doing this, comparison with the original one is must. Always draw the outline with light pressure and with light pencil. Not to do dark, do it light, but to make visible for you, I am doing it little dark. If you have any query or question, you can comment me in the comment box. This portrait is tough but interesting as well. Draw each and every wrinkle lines and fine lines. For better understanding, see this wrinkle. It is in 6th row, starts from 4th number of block and end to 5th number of grid. As the portrait has many wrinkle lines, so for better understanding, erase the grades with slim eraser, that is Tombow Mono eraser. Rest grades you can also erase with kneadable eraser. Then you have to again draw the line then and then only. Hope this video is useful for you and you liked it. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. We'll meet you soon in the next part. Bye and take care.